Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'm going to continue with the pronunciation of some jobs in English. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these jobs in English together. Please give it a try. Police officer, police officer, police officer. Firefighter, firefighter, firefighter. Postal worker, postal worker, postal worker. Social worker, social worker, social worker. Lawyer, lawyer, lawyer. Judge, judge, judge. Principal, principal, principal. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Coach, coach, coach. Janitor, janitor, janitor. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. Stay safe everyone out there. Goodbye.